Hey guys, so we're starting off week 2 here in Costa Rica, and we have a lot of things planned again for this week. And we're starting off with a walk through the forest with the hanging bridges. So we just got all geared up and now we're ready to go ziplining. You guys ready for this? Yeah! Woo! There's one last zip line, or I think it's a swing. Looks like the scariest one of all. Holy shit! To our last location of this week, and we're back at the beach. I think today we'll just relax and chill out and enjoy the rest of the day, and tomorrow might rent another surfboard and go check out the waves. So my boy Devin just randomly comes up to me and says, "Take this helmet, we're going for a ride." It was the last helmet they had.
I don't even know how to get there. I just know it's this way.
We just made it to San Jose again after a really long bus ride, and the time here in Costa Rica was amazing. I really enjoyed every single moment of it. But unfortunately, as all good things have to come to an end, it's time to say goodbye. See you guys next week. Peace.